Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare these delicious and spicy stick meat kebabs or skewers, and it's so delicious and appetizing. And you know what? It's simple and easy to make. Watch this video to the end and you'll be able to make it yourself. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do so. To begin, use any meat of your choice. What I'm using here is pork meat. Then I give it a good wash with warm water to ensure it's clean. To elevate the flavor and remove any unwanted odor, I soak the pork in a mixture of salt and fresh lime juice. The acidity in the lime also helps tenderize the meat a bit. After a short soak, rinse the pork thoroughly to remove excess salt and lime. Allow it to drain while preparing your spices for seasoning. I blended fresh pepper, onions, garlic and ginger. Now pat your meat dry with a paper towel. This is a very important step because dry meat helps the marinade sticks better and ensures that they come out tasting nice at the end. Now cut your meat into your desired sizes, not too tiny and not too big. After cutting your meat into pieces, it's time to season your meat. Go ahead and spice it up with your blended pepper mix, all-purpose seasoning, smoked pepper, a little soya spice, ginger powder, curry, thyme, salt, and seasoning cube. Mix it all up to combine. Spray in a little oil and mix it well to incorporate all the spices. When you're done mixing, cover it up and marinate for about 15 to 30 minutes. Ensure you soak your skewers in water for some time so that they don't break as you're grilling. Let's quickly prepare our sauce while we are waiting for the meat to marinate. To prepare your sauce, roughly blend washed tomatoes, bell peppers, scotch bonnet peppers and set aside. Then heat your pot and go in with any oil of your choice. When the oil is hot enough, add your salt, onions, a little tomato paste, pepper mix, and stir. Add your spices according to your preference to taste. I use curry, ginger, thyme, and seasoning cube. Stir properly to combine and allow to cook for some time to get rid of the sour taste from the tomato. If you notice, we didn't add any stock or water to this sauce. Yeah, that's because we want the sauce to be a bit thick. Cover and allow to cook till it's thickened to your preference. I added spring onions at the end to elevate the flavor of this sauce. It's totally optional. If you don't like it, you can skip it. Now look at this. The sauce is ready. You can see it's thicker than how it was. Now scoop it and set aside. Let's go back to our marinated meat. Here's the secret. The longer you let it rest, the deeper the flavor will go. As you can see, our meat has soaked up all the spices and is ready for the next step. Now pour in your meat straight into your air fryer and air fry it at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. If you don't want to use air fryer, you can grill your meat or you use oven. Flip your meat halfway through until it cooks evenly on both sides till it's 80% done. As you can see, it's tender inside and just brown outside. This step is what separates good kebabs from unforgettable ones. Here the veggies will come in fresh and the final oven finish takes everything to the next level. If you have watched up to this point, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like and share. Please subscribe and turn on your notification button because we have a lot of nice recipes to bring your way and I'm sure you will like them. Now that we are waiting for the meat to be about 80% done, Go ahead and prepare your vegetables. Cut them into square shapes as seen. Here we are making use of onions, bell peppers, and we are using all the three colors, red, yellow, and green, because we want it to come out very colorful and spicy. Now the meat is 80% done. It's time to thread our skewers. Take your meat out of the air fryer and pour it into a bowl. Now carefully thread the pork chunks onto wooden sticks. As you're threading the pork, be alternating it with the colorful bell peppers and onions. This was really nice, and it's enough to make anyone lose self-control. Reason why I'm sharing it with you. Is this something you like to try? Let me know it in the comment section. Look at the skewers. We are not even done, yet it's looking so colorful, just like a rainbow. Each skewer is like a tiny piece of edible art. The crunch of the peppers, the sweetness of the onions, and even the pork itself. Every bite is worth it. Now that we are done threading our pork, bring in a rich spicy sauce that we made earlier and brush it all over the pork like I am doing. The heat from the air fried meat helps the sauce clings and caramelize beautifully. This sauce does not only add flavor to the pork, but it also gives a glossy mouth-watering finish. Every layer of the sauce seeps into the meat and gives it that perfect sticky, sweet bite. If you have any occasion that you want to impress your guests, whether it's family meeting or just a backyard barbecue, this skewer is a perfect option for you. Try it and thank me later. When you're done rubbing your sauce on the meat, put them in the oven for about 10 minutes. Just enough to lock in the sauce into the meat and gives it that perfect smoky char. Now look at what we've got. Our kebabs are ready. I love serving this straight off the tray. It's so yummy. The bell peppers still have that crunch. The onions are sweet and the pork is so nice. If you've made it this far, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and try this recipe yourself. Drop a comment and tell me how yours turned out. I'd love to see your creation. See you in my next video.